Okay, so we're now down to this old ruin right here. We're kind of sitting in this old foundation, and we found this belt buckle here. This is the Great Seal of the state of Nevada. In this video, we'll attempt to refurbish and bring back to life this belt buckle in the glory days from the 1980s and the Western Americana of yesteryear. We ran this through just a little bit of vinegar last night and just tried to scrub it back a little bit with a soft bristle brush. We got some of the older rust and just some of the bigger particles off, but now we're going to apply this Brasso cleansing polish to it, and we'll see how it looks when we're done. So after soaking it in this Brasso for a little bit of time, we started scrubbing it. It was quite difficult to get off, especially after years of having rust and dirt and decay on top of the brass. But not only that, possible burn that had just scarred it superficially with a lot of burn. Discussing these belt buckles, these are from the 1970s and 80s. They're a limited run belt buckle from the company Toni Lama, which was a fairly popular cowboy and clothing store from early 1912s all the way through the 1900s. These are state seal buckles. They were made by award design metals through the 1970s and 80s. They are a popular collector's item. This just shows you here, as we clean this up, you'll see some of the craftsmanship of this belt buckle when we're all done. Interestingly enough, Toni Lama presented President Harry S. Truman with a custom pair of cowboy boots back in 1948. This was a way that Toni Lama could support the presidency during this integral part of World War II. It's exciting to expose a little bit of this Western Americana and the history of the 1940s and all the way up to the 1980s as we strip away some of the residue and rust using a wire brush. Interestingly enough, the price of a belt buckle in the 1980s was approximately $25 to $40 their time. Currency nowadays would equate to approximately $100 to $160, which is the retail price for these collector pieces now.